So this is a trip on May 15th through the Linn County Park. We started off with a summer tanager, one bright red, and the other kind of pale orange. And driving along the roads, saw a meadowlark singing at the top of his lungs, beautiful bird, and a little yellow warbler in the underbrush, followed by something I don't see too often, a black-poll warbler, a little better view of the black-poll, and then the friendly prothonotary warbler. Now we're starting a whole series because this was an unexpected treat for us on the redstart. And I've got a lot of pictures of the redstart. Look at him going through those branches with his wings folded back. How did he do that? Just enjoy the redstarts for a little bit. I've got a lot more pictures, but I thought maybe enough is enough. So I hope you like these. And the female redstart to end the series. And then we move an orange-crowned warbler, another one we don't see all that often around, followed by a yellow-breasted chat, beautiful bird out in a little field in the trees. And a red-eyed vireo. He perched for a while and then he flew away. And finally, I think a new bird for me is the black tern.